Let's get it on. Okay, jail raid, I'm ready. History in the making. Take notes.
So we've got a package. Let's open it up and see what we've got inside it. Razor blade. Use one, of course. Look after the environment. Make a second use out of something. Zenoah. We got some boots. We've got the clutch tool there. We got some foams. As Richie pointed out to me, my foams is a 1. As Richie pointed out to me. What are these ones? These are the I'm not even sure. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. So they're the rears. These are the fronts. Well, that's how much I spent. And this is the star of the show. Zenoah. And we got some spare choke levers there. And this is a freebie that came with the engine. There's the star of the show. That must be for some kind of lawnmower or something attachment, I don't know. Well, actually, that's what the fuel tank is. There it is, boy. That's a star of the show. G320, boy. G320. Check this out. This is like a little freebie that came with an engine. It's like a extendable torch. Oh look, it's even got Zenoah put it on it as well. Look at that. So how you work this thing then? I ain't got no idea, you know, how this thing works.
Because otherwise you have another person's life that is wrecked, and that is
Oh, there it is. On-off switches up here. It's right there if you can see it. Yeah, that's not working. There we go. Oh, I don't think there's no batteries inside it. Let me open it up. Oh, I see. Look, it's got a white. It's got a little white thing on it. Oh, I see. Oh, I see now. You gotta put the batteries in still. So it turns out I can't use this torch after all, because if we look there, that plastic holder thing is missing. That's what holds the batteries in. Because if you look in there, see, there's a lot of space in there. There's a big gap at the side, and that white plastic thing wasn't in there, so I can't even use the torch. Useless, unless I try and make something to fill the gap. Look at that, man, work of art, man. I've never seen an engine so shiny. Oh, comes with a sauce as well. But you know, I'll be taking it off and putting the dominator pipe on there. Yeah, man, yeah, we're ready for this, man, we're ready. Yeah, I think the one for the low C, I don't think it's got that bit on it. It's trimmed off. Because you've got one for the Barger, one for the Lossy. This is the Barger version, of course. Yeah, boy, yeah. We're ready. There's a few things we got to do though. We've got to break it in, and we've got to put the kill switch on there as well. We've got to put the mesh in on too. Yeah, a few things I've got to do it to before I run it. Don't think I'll need that, but I'll keep it spare. Filter. Spark plug spanner, that's handy. Phillips screwdriver, what's that, number 2 looks like? Yeah, it must be.